Kidz. I am a Kidz storyteller. Welcome to my channel.
Hello kids. Today we will learn about the sight words in English. 2-letter sight words. What are the sight words? Sight words are also called high frequency words, and these are the most frequently used and repeated words in any sentence. So sight words are the most commonly found words in written language. My, my, my dog is cute. My ball is yellow. By, by, come sit by the tree. Come sit by the dog. To, to, I like to swim. I like to read. We like to slide. We like pizza. He he is painting. He is skating. Me look at me. Give me my book. Be careful. Be brave. At look at my dog. Look at my ball. Am I am fine. I am reading. It is raining. It is snowing. So it is so cute. The rabbit is so fast. Do you have a bag? Do this now. Go go. The red car can go soon. You can go now. On this boy is on a horse. This boy is on a bicycle. Or Tony does not like milk or bread. I do like milk or bread. Off we can see a lot of flowers. I like lot of butterflies. An he drives an old car. Where were you an hour ago? As your sister is as smart as you. Your crayons are as good as mine. Us. Can you help us? Dad gave us video game. Up. Up. The sun is up in the sky. Stand up. Next topic of a kids storyteller would be 3-letter sight words. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.